Hi guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about optimizing search pages. So I started using more premium SEO tool, and I started by crawling my website, and it turned out that it picked up search pages as not being optimized, but obviously being crawled by Google. And because I didn't really add any hashtags or any optimization to those search pages, I didn't even know that there is a separate search page for every search query that people do. And on WordPress, obviously, WordPress gives you a much more possibility and much more wide range of elements that you can edit. That's why on WordPress, when you go from this particular tool that I'm currently using, you can access the search page for every search result and then edit it using H1 tags. So if you can access and edit your search pages, I would not be able to do it from my admin area. I could access those pages only from this premium tool that I just started using in my company. So I didn't even know how to edit search pages and how to access them to edit them. So adding this tool definitely helped improve the SEO game. So if you want to improve your SEO game even further, I recommend editing search pages, but first invest in good SEO tool that will help you find those pages that are missing tags and tell you how to edit them. And that's how you make your website much more accessible for Google and much easier for Google bots to crawl it. So if you like this video, please click like, please subscribe. If you already edit your search pages, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. And it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.